Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. So this is good. And from since which year we are celebrating this? And what is the context that why we have declared 5th June as the World Environment Day? So there should be a context, there should be a reason why we should declare. So what's the reason? So what has happened here means on 5th June 1972. You remember the year, very, very important. 1972 is a landmark in environment and ecology. You have to remember it altogether your preparation. 1972. So what happened? Yes. So in 1972, there was a conference like Stockholm Conference. In Sweden, there was a conference that held, that is known as Stockholm Conference on Human Environment. So this conference has held in 1972 on 5th June. Okay, so this was held in Stockholm it's a place in Sweden. Okay, so in order to commemorate the first meeting of the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment, so 5th June has been declared as World Environment Day. Okay, so you remember that one. And as an outcome of this conference, you remember that outcome, one of the important outcome which has happened in 1972 is that, so there they have resolved to constitute United Nations Environmental Program. So United Nations Environmental Program, it's an organization that was an outcome of the Stockholm Conference. You remember that also. Now, what is important is that it is in 1972. Now, by 2022, it has completed 50 years. And as it has completed, UNEP has completed 50 years. So try to just go through whatever the initiatives and the important aspects that UNEP does with reference to environment. So that is one thing. And then next, if you look from other important aspects, when was the world's first Environment Day celebrated? Okay, so first Environment Day. So at international level, first Environmental Day has been celebrated in the year 1973. Okay, so this is to commemorate this meeting, and from 1973 onwards, we have started celebrating World's Environment Day. And there, the first World's Environment Day has been celebrated in Switzerland. It has been celebrated in Switzerland, and the theme for that was related to, this was only one Earth. Only one Earth. So as we have only one Earth, that is living planet, we have to protect it and conserve it. So that was the theme for that, only one Earth. So this happened in 1973. And now, which year is running? 2023? 2023. So that means it is the 50th anniversary of World's Environment Day. So you have to be very much conscious about these developments. Okay, so now if we talk from current thing, like we are celebrating 50th Environment Day. You remember that. And now we are in which year? 2023. It has been done. So by 2023, 50th thing has been done. So still 2024 we didn't get June. So we have to consider that 50th anniversary only would be the thing. So for 50th, so where this which is the seat means it is Côte d'Ivoire. Côte d'Ivoire, it is the seat. So it is the seat, and the theme, what is the theme for this year's 2023? Yes, beat plastic pollution. So that was a theme that has been adapted when India was the seat. So in 2018, as a part of 45th World Environment Day, India was the seat, and India's theme was beat plastic pollution. And now in 2023, the theme of it is solutions for plastic pollution. Solutions for plastic pollution. You remember that. So theme is solutions for plastic pollution. But nevertheless, we can also say it is in one way beat pollution is the major theme. Okay, so which has already been adapted by India on 45th Environment Day. 45th day, so it was held in 2018, and India was the seat, and the theme was beat plastic pollution. Beat plastic pollution. Okay, so these things you have to remember. Okay, so that is one another important aspects that you have to remember. And next, very important thing is that we have declared that right to clean environment is a fundamental right in India, and this has been implicit in Article 21. And what about at the international level? Right to clean environment, is it a fundamental right? Is it a human right? Is it a legal right? Or is it what kind of right at international level? So that is another important thing. Can you guess what it could be? Is it a fundamental right? Yes? Good. Yes, good. Very good. It is universal human right. Universal human right. So we have Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So UDHR, do you remember UDHR? Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So it would be done by United Nations Human Resource Council. There is one council called UNHRC, United Nations Human Rights Council. So very recently in 2021-2022 period, so United Nations Human Rights Council has declared right to clean environment as a universal. It has voted for right to clean environment as the universal human right. Okay, universal human right. At present, at international stands, that is the status. Right to clean, sustainable and healthy environment.